Alright, welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. If today is your first day you come to this channel, don't forget to click on the notification button also so that you can be notified whenever we upload new video. Just like, share so that other people will get benefit also from us, from this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, do the same thing. Just copy the link and share to others. I am the only man who want to make the ladies beautiful on this channel. Yes, I always want to make the ladies beautiful. I don't know why that is that. And then if you want us to ship for you, if you want us to just place your order, we will send your orders to you all the way to wherever you are. We ship worldwide. We have our own logistic company. Not just only our items, we can also ship whatever you want us to ship to you or to the abroad. I will always do that for you. Then again, maybe in Nigeria, like everywhere you want us to deliver, we deliver. Any of the delivery company you want us to use for you, we deliver. Fine. I want to tell you more about our product, our face cream. Yes, you see this? A lot of people, they say they be using a lot of face cream and it don't work for them. This face cream, go for it. Yes, 14 days. Yellow Sisi face cream, this is it. And we own Yellow Sisi, nobody else. A lot of people, they be coming out because they see my Yellow Sisi, I talk about it and it works. Yeah, like, oh, so I get some breakout, I get some white patches, I get it. No, not this. Our Yellow Sisi, not our Yellow Sisi at all. This one have the tendency of moisturizing your face, lightening your face, and switch it to whitening within 14 days, bro. We're not telling you some old story. 14 days. If 14 days doesn't work, I return your money to you. Trust me. Wherever you are, I return your money to you. Fine, that is about that. Go for this Yellow Sisi face cream. Okay, quickly I'll talk about the lotion. This is the lotion. This is the body lotion of Yellow Sisi. I've been telling you about this lotion. Yeah, this lotion. Look at it. I've been telling you about it. I love this lotion. If you use this lotion, oh, come on, you will enjoy it. This is the only lotion I know in 14 days. According to the advert, the way it implies here is 14 days. A lady like in the UK, they be using this lotion too much right now because, oh, they say they love this lotion. We love it. Yes, they love it. And also, everywhere they be ordering this lotion, man. They love this lotion. No breakout, no stretch mark, no white patches. This is the only lotion I can guarantee you about it right now. This is the lotion everybody buying right now. This is the lotion. Yes, we have them in different size. And let me show you. This is the face wash. You see, this is the face wash. All you just need to do, just press and you get, and like you can use these. Just apply to your face in the next 10 minutes. Yes, in the next 10 minutes, because it's very beautiful. In the next 10 minutes, you just wash your face. When done washing your face, look at the mirror. Look at you're gonna look newborn baby. That is it. You look newborn baby. So I want to tell you something again. Bam. This is the soap, Yellow Sisi. So this is the Yellow Sisi soap. You hear me? This is the Yellow Sisi soap. You can use it with any other cream, fine. But if you afford all of them and you can use them together, you see your color. You're gonna look like, newborn baby. I tell you, newborn baby. We the owner of Yellow Sisi. Let nobody deceive you. They can do it like us. Yellow Sisi soap, Yellow Sisi cream, Yellow Sisi face wash, all of them. We have Yellow Sisi scrub too. We have Yellow Sisi body wash too. So like I tell you, use the 14 days as the name implies. 14 days. This is the soap. Are you getting it? Yes. This is the soap. And quickly, our original oil Malawi. This is our Malawi, and this is the upgrade of it. Don't tell me you've not heard about it. Malawi. The oil, and like all of our products, yes, they 14 days. I tell you that 14 days. I guarantee you 14 days. If it doesn't work 14 days, I'll return your money to you. I keep saying it. Look at it, you just want, if you want to use it once, if you want to use the oil only, you want to use the mix side only, I got you on this one. You want to mix it together, oh, I got you. The oil 14 days, the mix 14 days, you want it to be mixed, so 2 in 1, so because I want to buy the oil. Yes, You can do this. You can do this. I got you on this one. And a quick one, if you're having any breakout in your body, you have any kind of hyperpigmentation, or you have any form of, I don't know, rashes, I don't know how you want to call it, that you can't discuss with nobody, trust me, you can have, yes, you can have that trust in me. Just talk to me on WhatsApp, the number on your screen, you hear me? Yes. Okay, we've come to the end of this class. Don't forget, AY Cosmetic, we got you on this one. The only man who always make the ladies beautiful. I tell you, really. Then again, there's something we'll be doing right now in this channel. We'll be giving giveaways. Yes, giveaway time. Yes, so stick to us. Giveaway time. You can get, as you see all of this, you can get giveaway of the lotion, or the face cream, or the face wash, or the oil. You can get giveaway all the way. So stick with us. We'll be doing giveaway. You know what I mean? And I will be coming live direct to talk to you, to teach you also. So then also we play some games. So if you answer some good questions, if you answer them, you get a giveaway. Wherever you are, we send your package to you, giveaway free, you know. So trust me on this one. Stay with us until we come your way next time. Bye bye.